It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll be going to teach you guys how to rename your PC, your laptop, your Windows device. So let's get started. So first of all, there are two methods for renaming your PC. So for the first method, just open File Explorer, go to this PC and right click on this free area and go to Properties. Here you can see your computer name, your full computer name, and by clicking Change Settings over here, you can just change the basic settings. Here you can see to rename this computer or change its domain or workgroup, click change. So you can just click on this change button to rename your computer. Just click on change and rename your PC. So let's say I'll just keep it tech with AK and click on OK. And it says that you must restart your computer to apply these settings. So if I'll just restart my computer, so my name of the computer will be renamed. So I'll just click on OK and click on close. And for the second method, I'll just click on restart later. Moving towards the next method, which is to open start and search for about your PC. Just click on that, and here you can see that the device name is given, which is James right now, and the rename this PC button is over here, which we can click on and rename it. So for now I'm selecting technology as a name and hit on next. And here you can see after you restart your PC, the name will be changed to technology. So basically this is the basic ideology. So if the video was helpful, so please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.